processing or image recognition, this AI adapts and evolves with your workflow. Need to analyze customer data? The AI can do it quickly, accurately, and with actionable insights that help you make smarter decisions. It's like having a data scientist on your team, available 24/7. Want to automate repetitive tasks? The AI is on it, freeing up your time so you can focus on what matters most. From scheduling to sorting emails, it handles the mundane so you can innovate. The key difference? This AI strips away the fluff, focusing on core functionalities and delivering them through an intuitive, user-friendly interface. No steep learning curve, no unnecessary features, just powerful AI, made simple and accessible for everyone. Let's bring this to life by exploring how AI and traditional software impact real people in everyday situations. The differences between these two approaches are more than just technical. They can shape the way small businesses and creative individuals operate, innovate, and succeed. Imagine a small bakery owner who wants to boost online orders. She's passionate about her pastries, but technology isn't her strong suit. She needs a solution that's simple, effective, and affordable. Something that won't distract her from baking or break the bank. Traditional, expensive software might offer a dizzying array of marketing tools, dashboards, and analytics, most of which are irrelevant or too complex for her needs. She could spend hours just trying to figure out the basics, wasting valuable time and energy that could be spent perfecting her recipes or serving customers. The $500 AI, however, could analyze her past orders, identify which pastries are most popular, and even suggest targeted promotions to attract more customers, all automatically and all within her budget. It's like having a digital assistant that understands her business and helps her grow, without the steep learning curve. Or picture a student filmmaker eager to bring their creative vision to life but limited by resources. They want to make a short film, but the tools they need seem out of reach. Professional editing software costs a fortune, and its complex features can be overwhelming for someone just starting out. The high price tag and steep learning curve can be discouraging, making it feel like professional quality editing is only for those with big budgets. But an AI-powered tool can provide powerful, intuitive editing features at a fraction of the cost. It can automatically organize footage, suggest edits, and even enhance audio and visuals, making the process smoother and more accessible for beginners and pros alike. With AI, the student can focus on their creative vision, instead of getting bogged down by technical hurdles. In both cases, AI empowers people to do more with less, making technology work for them, not the other way around. The message is clear. When it comes to choosing software, bigger isn't always better, and more expensive doesn't always mean higher quality. The $500 AI proves that. It's about understanding your needs, evaluating your options, and making the choice that aligns with your goals and budget. In a world increasingly driven by technology, it's not about how much you spend, but how smartly you invest. Choose innovation, choose efficiency, choose smart.